2009 Honda Accord LX automatic. Extremely well maintained. This is a one-owner car. Sports no rust. Extremely well maintained. Decent miles, has about 130 on it. Been serviced religiously with 17 dealer service records. Ice cold air, power windows, locks, tilt, cruise, auxiliary line in, 4-cylinder. Doesn't appear to ever been smoked in. Very well maintained. No accidents, no paint work, no lights on the dash. This car is going to be eligible for a 3-month, 4,500 mile service contract covering all the engine and drive line. It's also going to work into our guaranteed credit approval program, which requires $795 down to drive this car off. Those are starting down pays. We offer an online application at dascleveland.com, easy terms financing, warranty, perfect Carfax on this particular vehicle. dascleveland.com.